Hi Tucker. Today is the next day after we cut off the roof. You can see. If you guys just jump in this video, we took our Korean van from Korea, Mongolia, and Russia, and now in Morocco. So we want to do the high roof after 3 years travel with the short van. So this is the beginning of the high top roof right now. They just cut the roof, and then when we got here today, look at this. They put the frame here. This is a really sturdy and strong one, and they bolted it in here. And this bottom, right next to the sexy Mark leg. This will be the wall for the high roof. This wall here and back here and here. This one is way sturdy and strong, right?
Yeah, it's stronger than
our roof. Our roof is over there. It's like really kind of flexible. Like compared to this, it's kind of like our previous roof is the paper, right?
Yeah.
It has kind of like curve in here. It will give us a good frame, like not warpy later because of the hot or cold temperature.
Yeah.
So I love so far to see this one. He's gonna put the frame here and front and back, and the side and Mohammed are doing work together. Mohammed has 2 little kiddos, and he's dropping up the kiddo somewhere when he come back, and we are gonna start the work. Guys, Mark brought the window, and this is the window. We bought it. We bought 2. It's kind of, yeah, it's not that small, but you know, like people cannot get through. So Mark was measuring the window size to the side wall. Look at this. Between the this curve, it will fit, and then this one will be side of the car, and it will be nice. Yeah. So I think it will be here, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. Guys, look at the side truck. Engine is missing. So they are fixing the engine. Actually, they are replacing it. Before he was testing it, and we saw the like fumes are coming out from the engine. This is the Volkswagen Beetle chassis. They took the this engine, and they're gonna install here. It says air cooled. I think air cooled engine. I think this is the same one. They are gonna load up here and then drive. That's cool, huh? I think we haven't talked about the color of Tubi because we are gonna do paint job, because like, you know, high top areas doesn't have paint yet, right? So we were thinking like what kind of color we are gonna do, and when we saw the side truck, we like the color too. So we are debating like, should we copy the side color or not?
Hey TV crew. Yes, it's not Lucy. Lucy couldn't come today, so it's up to me. Today, they put up the sidewalls for the back portion of our new high roof. It's quite nice because we can see really more what it's gonna feel like being inside this space with the walls on the side. So let me show you what they've done so far. As you can see, they have got the side walls mocked up. They haven't been actually finished yet. They need to be cut and shaped a little bit better. On the back there, you can see right now it's a sharp angle, but actually this will be angled, cut in, and then rounded off at the top. On the front, it will continue a little bit further here, and then it will gradually angle down. They put it up temporarily so we can kind of get a feel for what it's gonna look like with the angles that we've chosen and the height that we've chosen. The height is 60 centimeters, so you can see, for me, I can stand pretty comfortably here, but the roof itself will actually be even taller. The end roof will be curved, so here's our old support. Once we put this up, the space, it adds another 2 or 3 centimeters, so I think that will be plenty to be able to install everything and still be able to walk without scraping our heads on the roof. My feeling about this now is it really looks, I think, not better than I expected, but pretty much what I expected. So I'm pretty happy about that. I think this will work. I think it will work. However, there might be some changes. Today when I was talking with Saeed, he looked at the measurements and he thought maybe he might be able to get an actual prefabricated roof for a camper. Here in Morocco, you know, there are a lot of old cars and huge junkyards all over the place where you can pretty much find almost any part that you're looking for. And there are a lot of old campers out there that the rest of the car may not be good, but the roofs are still in good shape. So later on today, we're gonna go ahead and check out one of the bigger junkyards here in Agadir and see if there's a roof that would match our dimensions. Is that better? I don't know. We'll have to see what kind of roofs are out there. One thing is for sure, it's I think worth it to at least check it out, and I think it's a good idea. We're going to be going to the junkyard in about 30 minutes from now, so I will take you along. And I hope I did okay with this whole vlog thing, because for me this is weird. I don't know how Lucy does it. You want me to get the gate? I'll go in? Okay. Hello. Oh, in the front. Okay. Oui. Okay guys, we are on our way to the junkyard, and this is actually kind of a cool occasion because this is the first time I've ever been in a Volkswagen bus. First time. Guys, we're at the junkyard now. It's a pretty massive place. I thought when we were in Mongolia, we went to a similar junkyard like this, but this place, wow, it's 10 times bigger. There are just hundreds of these kind of, I don't know, like chop shops just scattered everywhere. Yeah, pretty cool. Found this pretty cool Toyota van back here, but something really interesting is over there you can see a Kia Pregio, which is basically the same van as Tubi. In Korea, a Pregio and a Bongo III Coach are a bit different, but our van, when it was exported to certain countries like Australia, it was called a Pregio. So this is pretty much the same van as Tubi. So rare to find this van outside of Korea. But here's one right here. This one is maybe in a little worse shape than Tubi is. I looked around to see if there are any parts that we could possibly use for our van, but I don't really see anything really that we can use. It'd be nice if the front windshield was good, because that's one thing that we really need. When we had a Swiss camper back into us, they crushed this front area here and they broke this plastic trim. So we might be able to use this guy, maybe. They're checking out the roof on this Toyota Hiace. Not as high as we wanted, but so we're gonna take some measurements from the inside. Yeah, I think probably not gonna work out for us, but worth checking out anyways. All right, I think we didn't find anything here, but we're gonna check out some other spots. Location number 2, another Kia, but this time a Sorento. More Kias here, but nothing that will help us. No. Oh my god, another Pregio. This one is like a Korean style Pregio. You can see the front end is slightly different. Huh. If I can get back here, I'm gonna see if these seals are any good. No. So it looks like we found nothing here. There's a turkey. Okay, another spot. More turkeys and chickens and another Pregio. Checking to see if there's any cracks in the window because we are in need of a new window. All right. See you, turkeys. Okay, so this one was also a fail. Merci. Yeah.
C'est pas la ferrale, pour rester.
Oui, oui, oui. Ah.
C'est la belle en ça.
This one has like a liner on the top. The only problem with these roofs is they might be too narrow at the top and not tall enough. So what they want to do is they want to take this fiberglass roof and cut it somewhere around here, this line here, and just use the top half to kind of cap off our custom roof, which the lower section will be made from sheet metal, and then the top section will be this fiberglass dome. And the reason why they want to do that is because our current roof that we're planning on using is super weak. It's like just barely stronger than a soda can. But you can see this roof is holding this car. There's another roof here that's also holding another car. So obviously these guys are quite strong. I think, yeah, it might be a good idea. We'll have to see what the price of this roof is and if we can keep it in our budget, and then go on from there. But I think, yeah, it's not a bad idea.
Ça, c'est bon pour le travail, mais ça coûte 4000 dirhams.
That's good for work, but it costs 4,000 dirhams.
4,000 dirhams, 400 euros. Oh. Okay, that's expensive. Okay, if you think you can do a good job, then let's do it. I think the guy's saying they're just gonna cut from here, 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 and just give this whole section to us.
Hi guys, I post the editing right now. Today episode is quite special because Mark first time to do vlog by himself. I wasn't there because I wasn't feeling great, so he has to do everything. He was so shy. Mark said he wanna cut it out, but I said no, it's your first time to do it and it would be nice to be on the camera, so I forced him to be in there. I hope you guys like and love Mark's first vlog. If you did, please leave a nice comment so that he will not be camera shy anymore. And before we end the vlog, I want to say thank you all for watching our video, and if you forget to click the like, please click the like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button because we are gonna have a lot of videos come through in high roof, and after that we are gonna travel again. Also, I want to say thank you to the Patreon members and who signed the channel membership, also who give us the contribution through the PayPal, and thank you for everything so that we can keep doing this project and our journey. So I hope we can see next episode too. Bye bye!